Bag 3 of Spider-Man vs. Doc Ock has been completed. Minifigures are James Jonah Jameson, and of course, Dr. Octopus. Here we have two turn things for the tires, or for like the bottom part of the wheels, so that you can make them turn. And this is the final set, like the final bag has been added. So we got some nice debris on it. We got Spider-Man's webs on it as well, and we got these transparent pieces. Gonna turn this around to show you the other side. They literally are more or less the same, but very nice details.